This is Physiotherapy channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete archive story on Facebook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The allure of Facebook and Instagram stories is often that they are ephemeral, only lasting 24 hours before finishing it into the data void. But Facebook recently added the story archive option only last on top of the story bar, which means that your story can be stored for future viewers or reuse. While the story archives is now the default option on Facebook, there are also some pretty quick and simple steps you can take if you want to delete an archive story on your Facebook. How to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can go to your settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now you can go to settings and privacy, tap on settings. You can just scroll down. You can go to activity log, tap on activity log. Now you can go to archive. And you'll find there's an option story archive. You can just tap on that. In here, you can just choose on the story, your archive story that you want to delete. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. I want to delete this archive story. Now you can just delete this archive story by tap on the three dots over here. There is an option delete video. You can just tap on that. Tap on delete. So that story is disappeared, has been removed from your archive story on Facebook. So simple, right? So that is how to delete archive story on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.